Samsung Galaxy Tab 1. It had a problem where it wouldn't boot up past the Samsung logo, and now you can see that it's completely fixed and working. We just want to let you guys know that we do tablet repairs and tablet training, set up user accounts on the tablets. Also, we do parental control for little children's tablet. So if you ever need any unlocking of an Android device, any restoring or just about anything that cracked screen on your tablet, anything that's wrong with your tablet, we'll be able to sort you out. So make sure to contact us.